What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Enought, and today I bring you guys my guide on Season 4, how to level up quick both your Battle Pass and your level. This should be going hand in hand in my opinion. If you do correctly, it's really easy to level up at the same time and getting Battle Stars. It's definitely a easy way to do it, and this is how I've done it. I barely played the Season 4 because I had a lot of stuff to do, but I've been reaching level 70 in a matter of like a week, which is really good. I maximized all my XP and so on, and I've done all the calculations. So first off, what you want to do is complete your daily challenges. You'll get a daily challenge every single day. They will give you 500 XP and 5 battle stars every single day, so that's a total of 35, and there's a total of 35 stars and 35,000 XP, not 35,000, but 3,500 XP. That's a lot XP. That is 3.5 battle star level, and it can actually be half a level when you're in high level as I am right now, because I think I need 12,000 XP to do that. So that's really handy that I get 3 levels basically. Not like there's not a big challenge, just like loot ammo crates or loot 6 chests or kill 2 people with SMG or do damage with SMGs. It's not really hard challenges, or just play with a friend and so on. And also make sure that you do your weekly challenges. Those are really important to do. They will give you 50 battle stars, which is 5 levels on the battle pass, and it will give you 5k XP every single week that you complete it. So that will then be a lot of XP, but you have to complete all the challenges before you get 5k XP. So it's really important to make sure that you complete the whole challenge before the next week comes. This will just make it easier to keep track on what you've done and what you haven't done, and it will also help you level up quicker, and so on. So remember that it gives you 5 battle pass levels, and it will give you 5k XP, which is a lot. Another thing that you should be keeping track on is that under your character, when you're on the loading screen or the pre-game lobby, is that there's an XP boost there. Sometimes we'll say 80, sometimes we'll say 120. This is your own XP boost that will help you get more XP, and it will also help your teammates getting more XP. So if they have the XP boost and they're higher level as you are, so I definitely recommend you guys playing with people that has high battle pass levels, so you have the chance of getting more XP because you get bonus XP from them. And this order, you can actually get between 2,000 and 3,000 XP for a single win in squad, which is a shit ton. That there's like 3 to 4 victories when you're like level 60, and you will level up really quick. So playing with friends is a definitely good method to do it. So when you get on a high level and you get like 100% more XP for yourself, it's really easy to start playing solo. Solo is the easiest game on in the game, so it's really easy to then just go into solo and get XP there. Will give you between 2,000 and 150 or 1k, 1.5k and 2k XP, which is a really good amount of XP. When you're playing solo, you don't even have to win. If you get top 5, you will get like 700 XP, 800 XP, which is also a lot of XP because it doesn't take much time to play solo. They're like 50 minutes, maybe 20 if they're drawn out, so it's really good. When you level up like this, you will level up quickly. You will get the carbide skin and the upgrades for it, so you don't have to stress and be confused about that. It's just to level up. I don't remember, I think it's when you're level 60 or 65 you get the last piece of the skin, which is really, it looks better when you have it. And just keep that in mind. If you level up, the quicker you level up and faster you level up, the faster you get to complete your carbide skin, which is really good. The skin is not that cool, but it is cool to complete something, and the feeling of that is really good. Another thing that I want you to keep in mind is always complete all your weekly challenges, even though you don't think it's necessary. Even if you already reached like level 100 and you have not completed all the challenges, complete them, because when you complete them you will get the blockbuster. Nobody has the blockbuster yet, basically because you need to complete 7 weekly challenges, or 7 sections of the weekly challenges. So that's like a lot of time. There won't be, at least I think there's 4 more weeks before people are actually going to be able to finish and get the blockbuster. Nobody has seen the blockbuster yet, so it's going to definitely be interesting to see that. So when you get the battle pass, like level 100, you will get the Omega, and this is everybody's end goal right now, is to get the Omega when you have it, and to complete all the challenges. I have not taken a look at the challenges. I think I'm 1 or 2 level away at this point. I'm not home, so I'm not playing at this time, but when I get home I'll definitely get the Omega, and I will go over the challenges with the Omega that you need to do. It's probably just being a level 70, level 60 to do this, and then kill 100 people in, I don't know, in a matter of not in a matter of time, but just get 100 eliminations and so on, which is really cool. I hope that is what it is. I have not taken a look. I don't want to spoil it for myself. So yeah, you will then get XP boost, and you will get battle stars when you complete all of these. You will get 70 how much was it? 35 battle stars for each single weekly section of the challenge that you do. Some challenges will give you 10 and some will give you 5, which is it is okay. Sometimes we just get a whole level. And another way when you level up quickly, when you just level up your base level quickly, is that you get 2 battle pass stars every single level, and when you reach level 5 and 10, so then like if you reach level 35, you will then get 5 battle stars, and when you reach level 40, you will get 5 more battle stars. So there's a lot of battle stars to get from just reaching levels and so on. So when you level up, you'll get more XP because you get the XP boost and so on. So just to recap, what you should do to level up quick is to do your daily challenges as soon as you get on. That is really important to do. There's easy XP and there are easy battle stars. Complete all your weeklies with battle stars, so you then level up your battle pass to get more XP boost with and without your friends, so you get solo XP and squad XP. Play with friends that have the same amount or more amount of XP that you can get, or the bonuses, to get as much XP as possible. So when you have this done, you should then be leveling up quick and so on, and then get ready for the end game goal of the battle pass, and that is to get the blockbuster and the omega skin. And the carbine is not end goal, but it's still you level up. You still need to be level 60, which an average player that doesn't play a lot would still not be able to reach and so on. So I hope you guys find this helpful. I will definitely make more guides on how to level up and what weapon guns and so on you could use. I'm really looking into making more guides because I'm really trying to get better at this, and I think it's a good practice for me to just make guides in general, to be more creative basically and get more rhythm into the game. So I hope you guys enjoyed and found this helpful. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps me out, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.